welcome back to my channel. I know this is like really random right now because I'm like in my car, but I forgot to film this part of the video before I left because I was in a hurry, and so here it is. I hope you enjoy this look. It's a very simple get ready with me. I'm just kind of getting ready and using new products that I got at the drugstore and at Sephora, and you know, so I hope you enjoy this video. I mean, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Mwah! Okay, so I'm gonna get ready now. I have a special date I'm going on. Okay, so to start off with, I actually did my skincare this morning, and I just didn't wear makeup all day. I do have really bad under eye bags, but I'm just gonna kind of refreshen my face with the La Prairie Essence and Lotion. This is it right here. I actually got this from La Prairie, so yeah. So I'm gonna just take just like 1 to 2 to 3 drops, and this stuff is amazing. I mean, it has the caviar infused in it, and I wish, honestly, I wish that they had like their own perfume with that fragrance, because it's just amazing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I absolutely love this primer. It's awesome. It has like this tackiness to it that's just really great. So we're gonna do a get ready with me real fast. I'm literally gonna do a quick get ready with me. And so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna mix this Armani Silk Foundation in, I think it's shade 2. It's really light for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Drunk Elephant Deep Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, which you can literally mix into your moisturizer or just kind of anything. But I think this is just a really great product because it's just gonna make you look bronzed, and it's also gonna protect you from the pollution outside. So I'm just gonna put that all over. Like that. Right here. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender, and I'm going to just blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the new Jeffree Star Peach Corrector. I've used this about 3 times already, and honestly, it's amazing. Like, his products are great. I love his new concealer. Or, I haven't used this concealer, but I really like this just because it's really going to correct that under eye darkness that I have. So, I'm just going to go in with a small beauty blender and just blend that out. It's always good not to put too much, but just enough to just cover that darkness and just really even out the under eye to where it doesn't look like you have those under eye bags. So yeah, so far so good. Look how nice that looks. That looks really nice. And then I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape concealer in those 2 shades that I always use, which are light medium sand and then I'm also going to use it in light, just to kind of help brighten up the under eye, but I'm only going to do like a couple dots of that. Okay, so that's that. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. close. Okay, here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Fenty contour stick in Mocha. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Soap Brows. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I literally have been using this for like the past 2 weeks. And let me tell you, it has changed up my eyebrow game. Everyone, like when I work, like a lot of people compliment me on my eyebrows. And I've been getting so many compliments ever since I started using this. So what we're gonna do is, what I do is I take a little bit of this primer water and I just spray it in here. And then I take this like a spoolie and I just take a little bit of product. And I'm just gonna go in with my brows and I'm gonna do like a close up so you can actually see. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna comb the eyebrow hairs up. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna keep them that way. So it's gonna keep them up. And I love that because it just gives them that nice shape. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more and then do it to the other side. And then you're just gonna leave them alone. You're literally just gonna leave them alone. You're not gonna touch them. Now this is around the time where I go in with my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. So I'm gonna go in with that, just like a little bit on my hand, like this. And then I'm gonna take it with this finger, ring finger, and I'm just gonna put this on my eye, like this. And then I'm gonna do the other side. And then I'm gonna take the P. Louise base in Rumor 1. Honestly, I think this stuff is too light for me. I'm definitely gonna get like a darker tone or darker shade, but I think I'm gonna get the Urban Decay this time because I heard that one was good too. So I'm just gonna do this. And then I'm gonna set my under eyes. So make sure your under eyes are, okay, they're fine now. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Becca Hydrous Set Refresh Powder. This stuff is so cool. I love it because it's like, I just love the way it feels under my eyes when I put it under there. Like, it's just great. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just set my under eyes. This isn't supposed to be for your under eyes, but I saw a really cool makeup artist do this, and I really, really like the way it looked. Like, I love the way her makeup came out, so I'm just gonna try it. And then I'm gonna go in with the rest and just kind of set my face with this. Like, when it hits your face, it feels like the brush got a little wet or something. It's kind of cool. Okay, now back to the brows. I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay Brow Blade. I love this. It's a, you see this? It's cool, huh? So what that's gonna do is it's going to, you're just gonna fill in. Honestly, this shade is too dark for me, but I use it anyways because the new one hasn't came in yet. I should have gotten something a little bit more brown. This is like a dark brown, but if you put it all together, it looks too, it just looks too dark. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. See, like, you see how they looked my eyebrows, they look, what's that called? Microbladed? That's what I want. And see how they look? And then I'm gonna go in with the spoolie again and just kind of comb through it. Gonna give it more of a messy kind of look. And I'm gonna go in with it again and just start right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer that I literally like use like every time. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow single that I bought. I have my own palette and I actually made this on my own. This is a mixture of Sydney Grace, Anastasia, and NYX eyeshadows. The one that I just bought is this one right here, which is called RTW. And this one is by Anastasia, which I absolutely love her eyeshadows. I think they're amazing. I think they're really creamy and they just go on the eye really nice. I'm going to take a Morphe G24 brush, which is this one. And I'm just going to take a little bit of Suede first, and I'm going to go in with that all over my lid. So just like that, all over. I actually found this eyeshadow at Marshall's, which is great. Because I didn't pay full price for it, you know? I'm all about a good bargain. Especially for like really nice quality makeup. By the way, I ordered some Inglot eyeshadows. I got them in the mail today and honestly, I did not like them at all. Like I ordered 5 of them and I'm literally returning them tomorrow because they just did not work out for me. Like the formula was really bad. Like it was just not creamy and I didn't like it. So I'm going to take that other shade, RTW, and I'm just going to put it on my lid very lightly. Like, this is a very natural, like, get ready for me, okay, get ready with me look. Just like neutral tones, browns, you know. It's pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna do more of like a bronze, like this is, I'm going with the NARS palette, and I'm gonna do like these 4. Actually, I'm gonna do like this, like, I don't know if that's possible or not, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna go in like this, I'm just gonna put that all over. To like dig in here and just like really get some. I like also to put it like right here because this is where you blush the most. And then I'm gonna take some bronzer and bronze my neck because I forgot. You see how white it is? And then I'm going to go in with the Big T's Plumpy Mascara by Buxom. I got this one at, actually, before I do that, I'm going to go in with a primer because, you know, I'm all about primers, especially when it comes to my eyelashes. I mean, come on now, like, oh, you see those? Oh, I hate that. So I'm gonna go in with the Lancome primer for the eyelashes. So. I've never used this mascara before, but I really like the way the wand looked because it looked like it would give me a lot of length. I'm all about length and thickness too, but like I have a lot of lashes, so I'm very lucky to have a lot of lashes. But I take care of them. I like this wand, but I will say I wish it was a full mascara because actually not bad. Not bad at all. You know, I'm always getting eyeliner on the That's kinda cool, right? Sometimes when I get like eyelashes like this, you see how there's an eyelash. Whoa. There's an eyelash right here. It's just not like listening. It's like the bad one of the crew. Okay. So I'm gonna go in and do the same. So they don't look too bad. I actually really like this mascara. It's very natural. It's not very thickening, but it's very length. Like it has a lot of length to it. That's why sometimes it's good to use like primer like I just used, because now they're gonna look a little bit thicker. So this is what they look like. Alright. So and then you spray yourself, of course. But I want to add a little bit more blush. I mean, blush lately. Add some bronzer and some blush just to blush. And then you just do a lip gloss. I'm not really sure what lip gloss I'm gonna do, but that's pretty much it. Oh my god, this is so funny. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my god, I feel like every time I say bye, like I'm like, you know,